the first thing we need to do is figure out how many days there are between November 16th, 2001 and November 16th, 2014. Now, 3 of those years have got 366 days. So 366 times 3 is 1098. And the number of years between November 16th, 2001 and 2014 are 10 years. And the other days they've got 10. So that's 3650. If you add that together, you get 4748 days. Now, how many weeks is that? Divide 7.
Attention in the airport, attention in the airport. Allegiant is in its final stages of boarding flight 1008 with services to Fargo. Allegiant is paging passenger Jamaria Anderson. If you are in the airport, please expect your here to gate C6. For your immediate
Divide
boarding and
7
departure.
into
Doors will be closing here
4748.
in 2 minutes, and once they
And
close,
that's
they will
6
not
times.
reopen.
6 times 7 is 42. And that's 54. And that will go 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. With remainder of 5. And bring down the 8. 7 will go into 58. 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. With a remainder of 2. So November 6th, November 16, 2001 was a Friday. And we're going to go 2 days more than that. So that puts you at Sunday. So the answer is A.